My name is Bailey Glaze, and this is my Chem lab video for Chem 120, where I will be explaining the Tyndall effect. The Tyndall effect is the scattering of light by particles in a colloid or suspension. In this video, I will have three mixtures: a saltwater solution, which is a homogeneous mixture with tiny particles; milk, which is a colloid whose particles are a lot larger than the particles in a solution. And I will also have flour diluted in water as my suspension mixture. In a suspension, the particles will separate upon standing. Here are my three mixtures. Salt water, which is my solution, which is an example of a solid in a liquid. Here is my colloid mixture, milk, which is an example of liquid mixing with another liquid, to give us a type of colloid known as emulsion. And here's my suspension mixture, flour. Notice how when I shine my laser through the solution, we can't visibly see the beam of light going through the solution. This is because the particles in a solution are so tiny they aren't able to scatter or disperse light, which makes it difficult to see the laser beam shine through the solution with the naked eye. However, notice when I shine my beam of light through the colloid mixture, we can easily see the beam of light pass through the colloid. This is because the particles in this colloid mixture are larger than the solution's particles and are large enough to scatter and reflect the light, allowing the beam of light to be visible enough for us to see. We can still see the laser beam pass through the suspension mixture because its particles are large like the colloid mixture's particles were. So, the suspension particles will still be able to scatter and disperse light, which will allow the naked eye to visibly see the light pass through.